wait time period would be 5 to 8 weeks. I was like, no way. What do you mean I have to wait for 8 weeks to get my phone? How does this phone scratch in just 2 hours of purchase? Like, I'm sorry, Apple. What? Apple? Apple? What are you doing? Like, these phones are honestly not cheap. Like, what the hell? If you see me walking away, Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Justine. I just hope the angle is okay. I forgot my tripod at home. I'm really excited. As you can tell by the title, guys, I'm doing another iPhone unboxing. So this time around, I'm actually unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you know me, you know I've never been a pro girl. By that, I mean like, if I'm getting a phone, I just get like the normal 16. I don't get the 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, 16 Plus or whatever. I just get like the normal 16. So this is my 16. If you guys haven't seen the video of me unboxing this beautiful baby, it's gonna be linked up somewhere here. You can watch that video. Actually, you know what? I think you should actually go watch that one first before you watch this one. But I'm really excited. I have my phone here in front of me. Y'all, let me tell you, like, I've waited for this phone for so long, you guys. I actually back ordered. They didn't have stock at iStore in London, so I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? And they told me that the wait time period would be 3 weeks, no, would be 5 to 8 weeks. I was like, what the hell? I was like, it's fine. I mean, I want the phone anyways. So what color do you guys think I got? I mean, look, I'm coming from a pink girl to, I'm not gonna tell you now. Wait, I hope you guys didn't see. So I got the blue one. Ah! Oh my God. I mean, I thought to wear blue to actually match my phone. My underwear is blue too, and I know you didn't ask, and TMI, oops. So this is just the normal 256 GB. Y'all, I bought this off of TikTok shop. So this is 3 screen protectors under £3, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And I got these 2 covers as well, but I think the covers should be lost. 16 is made of titanium, all right? But this one is aluminium. And people were going on so much online how their phones scratched easily. How does this phone scratch in just 2 hours of purchase? Like, I'm sorry, Apple. What? Apple? Apple? What are you doing? Like, these phones are honestly not cheap. Like, what the hell? No, like, seriously, what the hell? But anyways, we're still loyal to y'all and we love y'all and we're still gonna buy. I mean, what can we do? Like I said, while titanium is lightweight and strong, aluminium allows a better heat dissipation, and it just helps keep the phone's cost and temperature under control. For example, like during heavy gaming, taking loads of pictures, video taking. You guys know, if you have an iPhone, you know that an iPhone heats up very easily and very quickly. So with this one, apparently is the opposite. So I'm gonna test it this few days and just see how it goes. And also they did say that the 17, apparently the battery life is better, and also like it charges very quickly. I'm also excited about the dual camera. So let's say I go to a concert, right? And I'm taking a video of my favorite artist, let's say Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj is on stage and I'm taking a video of her. So while I'm taking a video of her, it's also taking a video of me. So I think that's amazing. The zoom on this phone apparently is so much better. So yeah, we're gonna do a little test tonight. You know, it's really late at night, but I don't mind going outside for you guys, or like through the window, I don't know. But yeah, so guys, without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, the moment is here. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Oh my gosh. Look at that. There she is. Okay, now I have to be careful not to drop it because I'm too excited. Ooh, what is this excitement? OMG. Honestly, a blue phone is, it's gorgeous. Like, it's so gorgeous in person. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Like, It might not look pretty on camera, but in person, oh, this is so pretty. Now I have to post my thumbnail weekly. Hold on. Okay guys, so now let's see what's in the box. We have this little pin thing for the SIM card. I thought I saw online it said, oh, maybe that's just in America, I don't know. But apparently there's no SIM card. There's no SIM card, no, there is. Mine has a SIM card there. So this is just the charger, the cable. So I'm not going to use this. This is brand new, of course. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to use my old one because I mean the 16 also uses the C type. I'm just going to leave it as it is because even this little pin I already have. Yeah, so I'll just put that back in the box. Honestly, I'm not even going to read this. I'm so sorry, y'all. And I know you guys are also not interested. Yeah. Boom. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. I mean, I got used to my small phone, but this is really huge. English, of course. So appearance, do we want the default? Do we want the medium? Do we want the large? No, I don't like large. Let's just do default. Let's just do that. Set up with another device. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. That's okay. You guys will wait with me, right? Okay guys, update. It's been like 20 minutes and we're here now. I just can't wait to put her in a cover already because I'm already seeing a few marks. Interesting. And this is a little bit disappointing, but it's okay. At least the phone has cool features, you know? Okay guys, all done now. So, get started. Wow. The camera quality! Yo. Okay, hold on. Okay guys, so it says restore completed, apps and data will continue downloading in the background. I don't have to move my card, my SIM card from this phone to this one. This has an eSIM. This is perfect. So far, this is what it looks like. This, can we just make it that big, like that? I actually don't like how my icons are looking right now, y'all. So this is how I like them, a little bit tinted. I mixed around blue and pink and it gave me that, and I think I'm okay with that. So these wallpapers that you guys see, I'm the one that took these pictures with my phone. So now let's go ahead and just put her in a case. They are 3 in a box, you guys. This is a bargain. Okay, for this, you guys, I have to stand up, sorry. It's on now. Obviously you can't tell. It has one small bubble up here. Doesn't want to go away. I'll just keep doing this. We have this one, which is the one that I'm going to put on now. And then we have the grayish one. I like the material. Oh my gosh, guys, this phone is huge. Whoa. Okay, so definitely it's heavier than the 16, without a doubt. Oh my gosh, it's such a heavy phone. How do we look? So I'm gonna take selfies with this phone, and then I'll take selfies with my 16, and then I'll just put everything on the screen and then you guys will see. Then we'll compare. What does this do? Oh, okay. Does the 16 do that? Okay guys, so the zoom goes until 8. Oh no, it exceeds. Wow. Whoa, do you guys see that? No way, you guys. You guys see that? Do you guys know that I'm actually on the 20th floor? But look at that. What? This is insane. Oh my gosh, wow. Obviously with the 16, it won't do that. It just goes until 2, that's it. All right, you guys, that concludes today's video. That is it. I hope it wasn't too short. I'm not a tech girl, but I tried. If you want an in-depth one, I could try. If you got a new one as well, let me know which color you got. Let me know where I can get cute cases from. Maybe I could do like a haul. I have so many though for my 16. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you if you've watched till this far, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.